It's me Rishabh. Today I'm showing you how I export my video for YouTube or freelance works. I'm sharing three methods for low file size without losing quality. And before you start, you must install QuickTime Player from official Apple's website, and you can download the QuickTime 7.79 version from here, and just download and install this player. And this because it support for more codec, that's why. So let's talk about method one, and open your Premiere, and I just create a new project. It's a sample project, and go to file, and here it's a export and media, and control M for shortcut. And here you can see the source, and choose H.264 and select the preset, and you can choose high uh, match with the high bitrate and medium bitrate, and also you can choose the quality full HD quality, and export this is the best method to export from Premiere. And if you are using After Effects, there is a lot of options available, and I just create a sample project. And so this is the animation, and go to composite, and here is the add to media queue, and here is the format, and choose QuickTime, and go to format option. Here is a method H.264. If you don't see, you can see like this H.264, then choose that H.264 and export. Now some case we cannot see the H.264 from our After Effects, so go to method 2, and so again you go to add to Adobe Media Encoder, because this is another software, the software from Adobe site, and you can download and install the Adobe Media Encoder from their website, and you can easily export your video through Adobe Media Encoder, because it is very powerful exporting option they are giving. And just add to Media Encoder and select the H.264 from here, and also you can control match with the source and high and medium bitrate everything from here, and select the output where select the destination folder. Because Adobe Media Encoder, you can, the one of the most important thing is, if you render the video, you can also work with the Premiere or After Effects. It doesn't matter the working of rendering. So go to the method 3, and this is one of most important, and Handbrake. It's a software from you can download from internet, and this is very powerful software. You can compress your video through Handbrake, and just drag and drop the Handbrake in video into Handbrake, and select the destination folder, and just to write a file name. What do you want your file now save? Now you can choose the format MP4 from here, and here is so many preset available, and Android also available, and here is a legacy normal. I use normal, and also just start queue, and this is one of very most popular application. Now let us check the file size, and this is a 2.5 MB file size, and I think it's very bigger file, 1 GB file into 2.5 MB. So let us check the quality, and this is a different size, and almost everything is same. So I think one of the best technique is use Handbrake or use H.264. So hope you enjoyed, and this is the method I used. And so see you with another really exciting video.